Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can send wave to someone on your messenger. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you're logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's open the messenger and here you can see, let's open the someone's chat. Now here you can see the thumbs up options, but you won't be able to see the wave option. So all we have to do is tap on that profile and here you can see below the themes you can see the quick reactions. All we have to do is tap here. Here you have to select the one of the wave emoji and here is the wave emoji. Now you can see the wave emoji here.